Hey everyone, welcome to Stampin' on the Farm. I'm Cherie Wheatley and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator from Raywick, Kentucky. And as promised on my Facebook Live today, or if this video gets posted tomorrow, yesterday, that I was going to go over the list of the products that Stampin' Up is celebrating World Card Making Day, which is October the 6th, this coming Saturday. But they're celebrating it all week long, October 1st to the 7th. And here's a list of the products that are discounted at 10%. And I was going to just point them out to you in the catalog, and hopefully this won't take too long. But let's get started. The first thing to start off with are these on page 7 of your catalog. They're all inclusive kits, and this is Notes of Kindness card kit. And this card kit includes card bases, the envelopes. It has the ink spot here, and a stamping block, and everything to make 20 cards. This is includes a stamp set. And this is regularly $35, and the discount price is $31.50. And then the next one is on page 8. This is the all-inclusive kit, soft sayings card kit, and it's the same thing. You can make 20 cards, and it includes everything to be able to, to make those 20 cards: the bases and the envelopes, and the stamp set, and an ink pad, and a block. And regular, it's $35, and it's $31.50 discounted. And then our next kit is Lots of Happy card kit, right here, and this has all the, the same as the other two kits, with the stamp set and the ink and the blocks. You can make 20 cards there. Alright, and now we're going to move on to page 11. This is Calligraphy Essentials Project Kit. Now, this is a project kit, so it does not include the stamp set, but the kit is $18 and the discount price is $16.20. But I do believe this is, let me look down here, I think that yes, this Calligraphy Essentials card kit is part of the discounted products. And the wood mount, regular $27, is $24.30. And the clear mount, regular $19, is $17.10. So that's on sale, a discounted price, and this as well as the project kit. And you make 16 cards with this kit. All right. Now let's go to page 170. I have them kind of labeled here. Try to make it faster. All right, on page 170 of the catalog, Ready to Layer. This is has 4 photopolymer stamps. Regular $17, on sale discount price $15.30. You build up each stamp, and then the last one has hello on there. It's a pretty cool looking stamp. All right, and then I'm back to page 40. Go back to 40. Page 40, Around the Corner. This is a 18 photopolymer stamps, regular $16, and it's on sale for $14.40. It's got some, take this thing off so you can kind of see the little corner curly things here that you can, little there that you put around the corners to decorate your card. And it's got a lot of stamp sets there. And now we're going to go to 119. This is one of my favorite stamp sets. This is Petal Palette, and this is let's see, this $47 for the wood mount with the wood blocks, and it's discounted price of $42.30, and then $35 for the clear mount, $35, and it's $31.50. But this has got some beautiful designs in here, and the sayings that are in here is really nice. I like that. And let's go to page 48. P.S. You're the best. We have the wood mount, the wood block set for $28, on sale for $25.20, and the clear mount is $20 and on sale for $17.10. And then going down to page 192, now we're getting into some cardstock. All right, we have the 12 by 12 very vanilla cardstock and the Whisper White 12 by 12 cardstock. And these are each $7.75. There's 12 sheets in a pack, and regular $77.75, on sale for $6.98. And then we have on page 193 the very vanilla note cards and envelopes, and the Whisper White note cards and envelopes. These are you get 20 envelopes. Well, you get the note cards and the envelopes, and you get the very vanilla. Each of those are $6.50, and each pack, and it's on sale for $5.85. And then you have the Whisper White narrow note cards and envelopes. These are, the note card is 2.5 inches by 4.5 inches, and the envelope is 2 3/4 inches by 4 3/4 inches. These are the Whisper White, regular $8, on sale for $7.20. And delightfully detailed note cards and envelopes. You get 20 of those. Did I say that? Of the Whisper White narrow note cards, and you get 20 of the note cards and envelopes in this delightfully detailed pack here. And they each have a watercolor wash across theirs, which is really pretty, especially when you pair it up with the delightfully detailed DSP paper on top of that. Is very beautiful. And a pack of these cards are $9.50, and they're on sale for $8.55. Now we have on page 213, we have some adhesives that are on sale. The Stamping Dimensionals and the Mini Dimensionals. They are, each one of these are on sale, $4 for a pack. 300, let's see, double-sided adhesive foam dots, 300 pieces for the regular size one, and the mini Stampin' Dimensionals have 720 pieces. And each of them are $4 for each pack, and they are discounted at $3.50. And then we have the foam adhesive strips right here. A sheet of adhesive white foam strips, 10 yards total, it says. Regularly $8, $7.20. And the tear and tape adhesive. This is good, strong stuff. It's regular price $7, and it's on sale for $6.30. So that takes care of everything. Hopefully I didn't rush through it too quick, and hopefully this is not too long, but just want to kind of point out the things that are on sale, celebrating the Stampin' Up! Celebrating the World Card Making Day all this week. If you'd like to order any of these products, you can go to my website. It's stampinonthefarm.com, and there's a order online button on there that you can check it out. There's also PDFs of the annual catalog and the holiday catalog. So thank you for spending time with me, and I really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, just let me know.